Resetting your brain for success involves implementing practices that promote mental clarity, focus, and positivity. Here are some strategies to help you reset your brain for success. 1. Practice mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness meditation or deep breathing. Exercises to quiet your mind and increase your focus. Mindfulness can help you stay present and calm, reducing stress and improving cognitive function. 2. Set clear goals. Define your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed and stay focused on your objectives. 3. Prioritize tasks. Develop a prioritization system to focus on tasks that align with your goals and have the most significant impact on your success. Avoid multitasking, as it can decrease productivity and lead to burnout. 4. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and eat a balanced diet to support your brain health. Physical activity and a nutritious diet can improve cognitive function, mood, and overall well-being. 5. Stay organized. Keep your workspace tidy, create to-do lists, and use tools like calendars and task management apps to stay organized and avoid distractions. A clutter-free environment can promote focus and productivity. 6. Challenge yourself. Continuously seek opportunities to learn and grow, whether through formal education, reading books, taking on new projects, or acquiring new skills. Embrace challenges as learning opportunities that can help you expand your knowledge and capabilities. 7. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a positive mindset by focusing on what you are grateful for in your life. Gratitude can boost your mood, reduce stress, and increase resilience, helping you maintain a positive outlook even in challenging times. 8. Take breaks. Allow your brain to rest and recharge by taking regular breaks throughout the day. 9. Stay organized. Use tools like to-do lists, calendars, or apps to stay organized and manage your time effectively. 10. Stay connected. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people who encourage your growth and success. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can help reset your brain for success and improve your chances of reaching your goals.